Good morning, students. Let's start today's assignment. So here we go with the assignment. So question number 1, name the monsoon which brings abundant moisture to the subcontinent. So the answer is southwest monsoon. During the early June, the low pressure comes over the northern plains which attracts the trade wind from the southern hemisphere. These trade winds originate over one subtropical area of the Southern Ocean, enters Indian peninsula as southwest monsoon. Moving on to the second question, what is the average velocity of the southwest monsoon? So the answer is, this wind are strong and blow at a velocity of 30 km per hour. Moving on to the third question, what is the amount of rainfall received by the withdrawal side of the Western Ghats? So the inflow of the southwest monsoon brings a huge change of weather. The windward side of the Western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall, more than 250 centimeter. So moving on to question number 4, write the name of the two states which receive scanty rainfall. The answer is Rajasthan and the part of Gujarat, as the rainfall in Ganga Valley decreases from the east to west. Moving on to question number 5, which part of the India receives maximum amount of rainfall? And the answer is northeast part of the country. It is the Monsoon in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receives the highest rainfall, average rainfall in the world.
Monsoon is a village in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya state in northeastern India, 65 kilometers from Shillong. It is reportedly the wettest place on Earth, with an average annual rainfall of 11,872 millimeters. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, Monsoon received 26,000 millimeters of rainfall in 1985. Monsoon is located at an altitude of about 1,400 meters, 16 kilometers west of Cherrapunji, in the Khasi Hills in the state of Meghalaya, India. The name of the village contains Ma, a Khasi word meaning stone, and thus might refer to certain megaliths in the surrounding area. Khasi Hills are rich with such megaliths. Laborers who work outdoors often wear full-body umbrellas made from bamboo and banana leaf. One of the most fascinating and beautiful features in the region are the living bridges spanning rain-soaked valleys. For centuries, locals have been training the roots of rubber trees to grow into natural bridges, far outlasting man-made wooden structures that rot in just a few years. The bridges are self-strengthening, becoming more substantial over time as the root systems grow.
On to question number 6, which is fill in the blanks. The monsoon is known for its uncertainty. The alternation of dry and wet spells vary in dash, dash and dash. So the answer is intensity, frequency and distribution. Moving on to question number 7, monsoon is often irregular in its arrival and its retreat. Hence, in sometimes disturbance for the people of which occupation all over the country. So the answer is, it disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country. Moving on to question number 8, by early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plain, intensities of which wind are attracted from southern hemisphere? So the answer is the trade wind. The trade wind, which originate over the warm subtropical areas of the southern ocean, they cross the equator and blow in a southwestern direction, entering Indian Peninsula as the southwest monsoon. So moving on to question number 9, which is fill in the blanks. With the expectation of the extreme northwest, the monsoon wind blew over the country in about dash. The answer is a month. Moving on to last question, children, that is name the place in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills received the highest rainfall in the world. The answer is Monsoon, the wettest place of the earth, which is in Cherrapunji in the state of Meghalaya. That's it. The questions are all told 10 questions are there together. So please solve it, enjoy, know more about the chapter. That's it for today. Thank you so much.